All right, guys, so this is Shelly. Go to sewshelly.com and you'll see that the pre-sale for BERNINA version 9 Foundations 3 starts today, and it will go through January the 10th. The course itself will be produced February through November, 10 modules. Each module has multiple lessons, and Foundations 3 will have at least one lesson in every module on CorelDRAW. Many, not all, but many of those will have in addition an Inkscape or a Canva alternative workaround for those of you that own the creator level of the software. And we're really going to focus on making sure that you're comfortable with that CorelDRAW element and how cool that is and what you can accomplish using that this time, in addition to other things. All three courses are available: Foundations, Foundations 2, and Foundations 3. And they build on each other, but you don't need to have taken one in order to start with one of them, because there's a live help session every month with myself, and we get together and then I record and upload that so you have that content. There's a community for the course that you're in, and you can ask others questions. So if you didn't take Foundations or Foundations 2, you'd be fine with Foundations 3. Many of you, though, are going to want to start and learn everything. So with the sale, instead of the regular $299 price, each of those three courses is $249. Or I put together a bundle. You could have two of the courses, any two, for $478. That is an extra $20 off the bundle. Or you could have all three of the courses for $717, and that is an extra $30 off the bundle of all three. So that's an excellent opportunity to get in and get all three of those, because those are just a great resource. The topics are different in all the modules and all the courses, and they will continue to be this year. And this year we'll go back and we'll retouch on a lot of the things that we've already done, but take a deeper dive into, different things, applique and things, but each time we will also add that CorelDRAW component. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Join me. Just go to sewshelly.com. I'll see you in class. Foundations 3 will start in February. Foundations and Foundations 2 are ready anytime. They're always available. You can start working through those anytime you want. I'll see you in class. Bye for now.